my name is Christy and this is the lesson 31 third grade YLOC worksheet. So the first worksheet is place values. What is the underlined place value? So let's say I think this worksheet has max up to 4 values. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The first on the right would be the ones. The second to the right would be the tens, hundreds, then thousands. So as long as you memorize this, you will get all of these correct. So number 1, we have 7 over 2. The 7 is underlined. It's in the second place from the right, so which means it's in this space, so it's in the tens. Or I think it's better to just write it out. Okay, this one, the 2 is underlined, which is in the ones place, so ones. 563, the 5 is underlined, that's the hundreds place. Hundreds, then let's find the thousands. Number 11, the 5 is in the fourth to the right, so it is in the thousands. Okay, actually it's in the thousands place. Okay, so that one should be pretty easy. So moving on, determining whether these numbers are even or odd. So even numbers have 0, 1, 2, not 1, my bad, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 as the ending number, and odd numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 as their ending numbers. So this will be your key to solving all of these. If we look at number 1, the number ends in a 0, and we see that 0 is here in the even section, so this is an even number. Number 3, we have the number ending in 6, and the 6 is also in the even section, so this is an even number. 33, we end in a 3, and the 3 is in the odd section, so this is an odd number. Okay, moving on, multiplication. Okay, 8 times 5, that's the same thing as saying there are 8 groups of 5 or 5 groups of 8. We'll do 8 groups of 5 for today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 8 groups, and now we count every single circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we know the answer is 40. So that took a really long time. So I think for multiplication, it's kind of just memorization. So be sure to be memorizing multiplication tables. Okay, 6 times 4 is the same thing, but if you have it memorized, it'll be much quicker, like in a split second. 24, 9 times 3, 27, 6 times 8, 48, 3 times 4, 12, this is also 12, 72, 10, 27, 77, 7 times 2, 14, 9 times 4, 36, 66, 18, 30. Okay, for number 13, when you're multiplying a number by 11, it's basically the number you're multiplying 11 by 2 times. So as you can see, I'm multiplying 11 by 6 here, and the answer is 2 6s in a row. So that is an easy way to remember things. For number 15, when you're multiplying a number by 10, you just replace the 1 with the number you're multiplying by. So in this case, you're multiplying by 3, so you replace the 1 with the 3. Okay, number 16, 5 times 6, 30, 7 times 5, 35, 4 times 2, 8, 20, and 4. Okay, so here are the answers to the multiplication. Okay, lastly, we have word problems. There are a total of 17 chickens in the coop. Each have 2 legs. How many total chicken legs are there in the coop? So we do 17 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. We bring the 1 up. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So there are 34 chicken legs. Don't forget to label chicken legs and box your answers. Okay, 20 out of the 100 pencils David has are colored pencils. What fraction simplified of the pencils are colored pencils? So 20 out of 100 So we see that there is a 0 in both the numerator and the denominator. This would be the numerator and this is the denominator. So we can cancel that out, and now we have much smaller numbers, 2 over 10. But this is still more simplifiable because these are both even numbers, and even numbers are always simplifiable. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So your answer should be 1 out of 5 are colored pencils. Colored pencils. Okay, box it. What is the greatest possible number that you can write with the digits 2, 8, 1, and 6? So we start with the biggest number, then the next, then the next, and the next, and you make your number. The number 52 is an even number. Write 2 more even numbers, including one with 4 digits. So even numbers, as we learned before, only needs the last number to be an even number. So I can do like 6, 8, 5, and 2, and it'll be an even number because 2 is an even number. I can do, I don't know, so something simple. You can literally just write 2 or 4 or 6. Your answers will all vary. So, number 5, Sally and her dad went to catch some fish. Sally caught 9 fish and her dad caught 20 fish. Then they then decide to throw back 5 of the fish into the ocean. How many fish do they have left in total? Okay, so Sally caught 9 and her dad caught 20. So 20 plus 9 is 29. Then they decided to throw back 5 of the fish into the ocean. So you would do 29 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus nothing is 2. So there are 24 fish left. Label and box, and you have your answer. I hope you understand everything now, and I hope you have a great rest of the week. Bye.